All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. For those of you that are new here, my name is Drew Sims. This is my Jeep, and today I'm out in Central Oregon, going to be doing 2 nights of winter camping. As you guys can see, it's absolutely dumping snow right now. I drove up this pass last night around 8, and it wasn't really snowing too much. Found this little snow park to camp at overnight and just sleep in the Jeep. Then I woke up at around 2 a.m. and it was absolutely dumping snow, and it hasn't let up since. As you can see, the Jeep's got like 3 to 4 inches of fresh snow, and yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous out. I'm really excited to be up in this area. Today, I'm mostly just going to be driving around trying to find a place to camp. A lot of these Forest Service roads are closed down in the winter from, I think, December 1st to the end of March, just because it's used for snowmobiling and cross-country skiing. So it should be interesting trying to find a camp spot, but I've got my winch ready, some Max Tracks, and a shovel. So I should be able to get myself out of any bad situation, hopefully. But yeah, we'll go ahead and drive around, see if we can find a decent camp spot. Probably take some crap for using store-bought wood, but you gotta give me some credit. I just cut that entire log with a handsaw. So you gotta meet me halfway. I'm still working for a fire. The only reason I bought that wood is just because it rained the whole last week, and then it's been dumping snow, and everything around here is really wet. So it'll be a lot easier to get the fire going with the store-bought wood, and then I can throw on the wood that I cut. So we'll go ahead and get the fire going and get to dinner. Dinner is done. Got the fire going still. Starting to snow a little bit. potatoes turned out great. The steak was pretty good. And the chimichurri sauce, surprisingly, for not having a food processor, turned out pretty solid. All in all, pretty solid first night back winter camping. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. As a lot of you guys know, my Jeep was actually broken into back in September. I was up in Washington and was doing an overnight hike, came back to my Jeep, and pretty much everything was gone. All my camera gear, my laptop, my hard drives, my backup hard drives, my passport, a bunch of money, even my socks and underwear were stolen. So it's been a rough couple of months, to say the least, and thought I'd be able to bounce back a little easier, but I lost pretty much 90% of my work from the last 3 years. I had some of my favorite images and videos backed up online, but a good majority of it is just completely gone, which is a big bummer, and it's been tough to bounce back. And I just want to say thank you guys for everyone that's reached out over Instagram, YouTube, emails. If I haven't responded to you, I'm sorry. It's honestly been overwhelming, the support, and it really means a lot to me. And it's really awesome to hear you guys wanting to get out on your own adventures because you're watching my videos or following my Instagram and you're getting out and you're camping on your own. It's really awesome, and that's how I used to feel in college watching videos. So the fact that that one single person who feels like that watching my videos really means the world. So thank you guys for all the support when I'm kind of getting back from that little setback. But I think that is more than enough rambling around the campfire for tonight. So I think I'm going to hang here for a bit, finish the beer, let the fire go out, clean up, and then get in bed. All right, good morning guys. It's about 9 o'clock right now. It's been kind of on and off snowing all morning. It's absolutely gorgeous out. Definitely did not snow as much as I thought it was going to last night, but no complaints. It probably snowed, 3 to 4 inches here last night, which is beautiful. And it's gonna be super easy to get out of here, which I'm happy about. But for now, I think I'm gonna head out to Coosa Falls and do that before breakfast, just so I can get it before the temps warm up. I think in the afternoon, that area is gonna lose a lot of snow, so I wanna get there early and hopefully get some decent conditions. But before I head out, I do wanna thank this video's sponsor, and that is backcountry.com. Backcountry.com is a great online resource to get anything outdoor gear related, whether that's camping, hiking, if you're a climber, skier, snowboarder, whatever it is, backcountry.com has a huge gear selection to choose from. A few notable pieces that I've really been enjoying this winter are the North Face Chilcat Evo 2 boots, the Fajal Raven Winter Stormland pants, and this Patagonia R1 Air hoodie. This gear has been keeping me really warm so far this winter when I'm camping out of the Jeep, when I'm hiking around. And it's also been keeping me really dry, which in my opinion, I think is the most important part about having winter gear. This time of year, backcountry.com has a ton of deals going on with Christmas and the New Year coming up. So this is a great time to get some gear of your own. So make sure you guys visit backcountry.com and don't forget to use the code DSIMS15 to get 15% off your first purchase. But big thanks again to backcountry.com for sponsoring this video. right, so that pretty much wraps up brunch. I am pretty tired right now, long morning, shooting those waterfalls, and it was honestly pretty tough just because all the snow coming down after being there for like an hour was really wet, so I ended up switching jackets like 3 times, had to keep drying off the camera and just doing a lot of hiking through deep snow. So long morning for sure. It's around 1:30 right now, so pretty late. First meal of the day, feeling pretty tired, and nothing like 3 tablespoons of sugar, a bunch of syrup, and some cinnamon to make you feel good. But I did have some fruit in there. You guys saw it. I'm eating strawberries, being healthy, so doing what I can. But yeah, I think for now, I'm gonna do these dishes. Not gonna film any of that just because I'm tired, and this is my least favorite part about winter camping and just camping in general, or doing the dishes. So gonna knock that out and then head back up the pass to where I started this video, where I slept. I'm gonna spend the night again there. Not gonna be filming dinner, probably just gonna do a sandwich and a yogurt. Gonna be an early night for me for sure. So I'm gonna get these dishes done, pack up, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, well, that pretty much wraps up this vlog, guys. As you can tell, last night it dumped another like foot of snow, so I'm happy I made it off the Forest Service Road and back to the snow park. All in all, it's been a really fun couple of days of winter camping up here. Like I mentioned, I haven't explored this zone of Oregon before, so to see it all with a foot plus of snow has been a really cool experience. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. But now it's time to leave, unfortunately. I think it's going to start raining this afternoon. That temperature looks like it's raising like 5-6 degrees, and it's supposed to rain for a couple hours. So I know getting down the pass and getting down these roads when it's raining out, it's going to be icy, so I want to make sure I try to get down before that. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.